In this video, I will show you how to change your Adobe payment method step by step so you can update your billing details easily. To get started, what you want to do is head over to adobe.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to your profile picture in the top right hand corner, give that a click, and what you want to do underneath your name is click the Manage Account link. What it's going to do is take you across to your account page. From here, come up to the top, click onto Plans and Payment, and then click onto Payment Methods. Now this is where you can come to manage all your payments and payment methods. So as you can see, I've currently got one way to pay, which is currently set to pay for my Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription. To change a payment method, all you need to do is, first of all, if you don't have another one, you can click onto Add New Payment Method, and then you can choose from any of the available options. For example, PayPal, Google Pay, or a credit or debit card. In this example, I'm going to select PayPal. So all you need to do now is follow the steps, whether that's linking your PayPal or entering some new credit or debit card details. And once you've done that, you should now have added a payment method. So to actually change your payment method for a current subscription, what you can do is come back up to the top, click onto Plans and Payment, and then click onto Plans. Now this is going to display all your current subscriptions and plans with Adobe. From here, come over to the right hand side, and underneath Billing and Payment, you're going to see a Change Payment button. Give this a click, that's going to open up a window like this. And on this window, you should see your current payment method. If you actually give this a click, you're going to see your new payment method. And to change to this, just simply give it a click and then click on to save. It's going to say saving your information, and then you're going to get a confirmation saying that your payment method was updated. So now if we close this down, you can see that it's just going to refresh the page, and you can see that for billing and payment for my Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription, we now have PayPal as the payment method. So that is how to change Adobe payment methods. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.